Hi everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to analyze the song Charakupa by Alec Macheso. In this masterpiece of a song, Macheso is encouraging us to be grateful to the Lord for the blessings that He showers each and every one of us with. Charakupa denga tenda iwe, which means when the heavens have opened up some blessings your way, you must be appreciative. It is this appreciation that will ensure more countless blessings. We see this when he says, Tenda uchapiwa zvinwe. He also touches on the fact that as people, we are all blessed differently, and those blessed with more in certain areas are also expected to be generous to those less fortunate than them. The heavens can then use you as a conduit to bless others. Kana zvakawanda ipawo kune avo vanoshaya. Some people give excuses that they do not help people because in the past they helped someone who was not grateful. But Macheso tackles this in this verse when he says, Variko vangakusvibise moyo, rega vakadaro, ita chete zvawakapiwa naShe. He is saying here, ignore those that are not grateful, as your reward comes from above. The Lord searches the heart to see which people to bless, and you have been given because you have a heart full of love for others. Kukupa kuona zvauri, une moyo une rudo nevangu, usadzokere kumashure. He then goes on to say, Mwari vanoziva zvavakatisikira isu, which means each and every person under the sun has a purpose in this life. As an example, he is a musician, and that is his purpose, to entertain the people and teach using song. This song encourages all to be able to identify their purpose so as to have a meaningful life. So guys, please share this video, like our page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and cheers.